A, B, C, D and E are 5 distinct numbers that are from an arithmetic progression. They are not necessarily consecutive terms, but form the first 5 terms of the AP. And they form the first 5 terms, but they are not necessarily in that order. It is known that C is the arithmetic mean of A and B. D is the arithmetic mean of B and C. Which of the following statements are true? We're going to go step by step. We're going to take the first statement. C is the arithmetic mean of A and B. What does that tell us? This says C has to lie between A and B. A, C, B. Suppose we assume slots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C has to be in between A and B and smack in between A and B. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, or it could be 1, 3, 5. If 1 and 5, the arithmetic mean would be the third term. Important thing to remember, it could be the other way around. It could be ACB or BCA at each of these places. Right? We know that C has to lie in between A and B and exactly in between A and B. What we mean by that? As many terms between A and C as there are between C and B. Right? The distinct terms. Now we are going to take the next idea. The next statement that is being given to us is that D is the arithmetic mean of B and C. Right? Now we know that D lies between B and C. Right? And C lies between B and A. So this B, D, C, and then there is A. So B has to be at least 2 slots removed from C, and A has to be as many slots removed from C as C is from B. So we know clearly that A, C, B are in slots 1, 3 and 5 in some order. It could be 1, 3, 5 BCA or ACB. Right? Now we know D lies smack in between B and C. So this could be D or this could be D. This is E. This is E. The terms are either B, D, C, E, A or A, E, C, D, B in that order. Right? Now let's go to the statements. We've just done this digitally, completed the whole grid. Now let's go to each of the statements. Average of all 5 terms put together is C, middle term and AP, done. Right? Average of D and E, in both cases, average of D and E is C. Is not greater than average of A and B. That is also C. These two are equal. This is not greater than that. This statement is also true. Now let's build on this. Average of B and C is D. Is greater than average of A and D. D is greater than A plus D by 2. Essentially we are saying D is greater than A. That may or may not be true. It could be an AP like this or an AP like this. More importantly, the common difference could be negative. So even if we knew which of the two, we cannot answer the question. So A and B hold true, C does not hold true. Answer choice. Wonderful question. Based on that one idea, we've already done one question previously on the same idea. Arithmetic mean of n terms in an AP is the middle term. First and third term arithmetic mean is the second term. First and fifth term arithmetic mean is the third term. That idea is important. Hang on to that.